Good morning and welcome to Xidi, an ancient town here outside of Shanghai. It's just sunrise around 5 now in the morning. Gonna see if we're gonna see the sun come out here. Maybe get some nice drone shots, very peaceful and misty here. Gonna go out and file the fields here just around the corner. See if it looks beautiful. We'll see. At least no rain, so I'm happy about that. So let's see when we get there what it looks like. Very misty and moody here in the field. You see people are going out actually to the farmland here in the background. Very, very local experience, that's for sure. Yeah, that was a very relaxing start to the day. Really drew a bit here. Nice to just enjoy some of this red traditional lanterns here. The landscape. People are just outside. I'm next to this guy eating his breakfast bowl of rice here in the morning. Great to greet the locals here and just enjoy this beautiful scenery here, especially with these lanterns everywhere. Very slippery. Traditional fields here in the background, that's for sure. I think I'm just gonna enjoy the views a little bit here. Walk around and then go and have a break and then see the others for breakfast again. Fantastic, relaxing way to enjoy the morning in a very calm way, so see you a bit later. Okay, so a few hours have passed, we rested a bit, the sun has come out, it's time to have some breakfast. Gonna join the guys out here on the balcony, looking very nice.
You don't come up yet. Okay?
Fantastic, hello. Definitely a pretty spectacular views here, you see all this nice old buildings and the red colors, I just love that. We even have the small kind of gardens here in the background. Steam coming up, the city's waking up here. The moody in the mountains, so see what we can find in terms of local food. A great breakfast. It's going to be a very nice day ahead before we go back to Shanghai at 1 p.m. So just going to walk around, take it easy and then relax. So see what we can find. Fantastic. So we're back in this cozy little cafe slash bar here, waiting for some great coffee to get the morning started. Very cozy vibes here for sure. Gonna pick that up, get some great energy, and then we're gonna go out explore here. Fantastic, so we got the coffee, and that of course means the day is ready to get started. Just gonna get some energy here. So refreshing, and now we are definitely ready to go and get exploring. Interesting shopping here, a lot of local accessories. Always fun to explore. Just love exploring the local stuff here. This guy eating his breakfast in the background. Just relaxing, people coming, exploring here. Porridge. Yeah, let's see if we can find something interesting to eat here. Local food. Very relaxing. I've been to some other of these ancient towns with a lot of tourists, but I think this is actually quite relaxing. So hopefully walk around there without too much people. Oh yes, it's time for breakfast. I think we're gonna have this local place here. A lot of interesting stuff here, dishes. And the breakfast menu only in Chinese, but a lot of good meat and some noodles and some stuff, and it's looking very authentic here. Definitely gonna try to explore this. Love this. The more local, the better. A lot of interesting accessories, interior design, and Chinese stuff in this store here. Mixing bracelets with antiques. Quite interesting mix, that's for sure. All this stuff on the wall here, and all this kind of old posters here in the background. Really cool. Just walking around exploring. Wow, we have some old kind of paintings here. Wooden pieces. I don't have so much interior decoration in my apartment, so I'm probably gonna skip a fantasy. Definitely a lot of cool places here, just walking next to the stream. Really pretty. It's funny, you have all these people here. Ooh, let's go and check it out. Interesting courtyard here. Maybe they have some food as well. Wow. Very cozy place here. Let's check it out. And you have a lot of meat here hanging around in the background. Interesting stuff. Very local. You never know what you can find. Fantastic. So they had some local breakfast here. We're gonna try and order a lot of cool stuff. Looking forward to trying it. Interesting, preparing some local snacks here. Looking like potatoes, but I'm not sure. Wow, we got some nice local food here. I think the lens got a bit misty early, but I wanted to try this nice sausage here. Let's have it a bite. A bit sweet, very nice. Another one here, I think it's pork. A lot of fat, but very tasty. Very good. Also some pretty interesting green thing here. Let's try. A lot of cool interesting stuff. Always important to have some good protein here. Have some eggs in the morning. Oily but nice. Also some interesting noodles here with some spices. Ooh, very nice. I don't normally have a lot of carbs in the morning, but dumplings and noodles when you travel, it's very nice. That was a very enjoyable breakfast. Couldn't film everything, I had some problems there, but just very enjoyable to walk around here also in these small alleys here. Really local. You have all these beautiful murals and even now kind of the local farming going on in the background. Just look around there, small alleys, very authentic. I feel sometimes these cities are a bit over commercial, but fantastic. Just walk around here and enjoy all these beautiful views. Hello, good morning, nice to meet you. I love all these old kind of gates you see in the background and this alleys here, walking around here, very peaceful. Wow. Small kind of gardens here everywhere. Really, really nice. Oh, there's a lot of people want to take photos. Yes, Nihao. Let's take a photo together. Hello, yes. Let's do it. 1、2、3。你好。你好，认识你很高兴。非常好。
Thank you.
谢谢。Very interesting adventures here. A lot of photos and videos going on. Yeah, a lot of interesting action going on here. Photos and stuff, but you know, not complaining. Could be worse. Just enjoying the views here. A lot of interesting people. A lot of amazing, beautiful sights in the background. Alleys and lanterns. Very, very great day, that is for sure. We'll go back to Shanghai here very soon. But amazing old and beautiful city. I just love walking and exploring. Very great day. Wow, here we have some local biking going on. You gotta adapt to the circumstances. That's pretty impressive. Yeah, it's a pretty amazing morning here. Just walking around in all these pretty places everywhere. You have like calligraphy, all historic stuff going on in the background. Small yards and these gates everywhere. I have all these pretty lanterns. Quite amazing if you like to just walk around and explore what's going on. I think I'm gonna leave you guys here with these very pretty views in the background. Go back to Shanghai, but if you see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.